Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren begins National Integration Week observance, call upon Manpeg and Kokomi leaders for talk to bridge public-government communication gap. An 18-hour total statewide shutdown by Manpeg against Citizenship Amendment Bill cripples normal life in Manipur. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Ibeto Tokchom, bringing you the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren kicked off Kwame Ekta Week or National Integration Week observance in Manipur today. State government organized the event at the banquet hall of 1st Manipur Rifles Battalion. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Biren appealed to representatives of Kokomi and Manpeg to hold conversations with the government to bridge existing communication gap between the people and the government in order to wipe out people's apprehensions regarding Citizenship Amendment Bill and the Naga peace talks. He assured that the government is taking full responsibility to preserve the unity and administrative structure of Manipur. Biren also called upon people to shun bund culture as it greatly affects the daily bread earners. He assured that the government is with the people and added that even the central leaders have assured to consider the people's interests. The Chief Minister opined that communal opinions on various state issues expressed by some experts during discussion programs on local TV channels have great potential to create more issues in the state. He appealed to those concerned to ensure that discussions are focused on the topic and not beyond the parameters set for discussions.
Hector ban option B, Hector general strike option B, I coisi Namaga, Hamaga, Moy Sasan Tony having more laptop vicinity, 8 of at least point to Kari or Kamai, Tari, have to say. Government Malay. Ako government like we are able to put away Haranamanico. No electricity are in all of the Prazana Bota Kalagas, in all of the elected government, popular government, lady. I couldn't read slowly, because if foggy. Manipur Yapun, the Septum, the Matang, the Quineric slowly. Manipur administrative structure, the Swan, the Navi Matang, the Adugumi assurance lay a Quineric slowly. Cape Matanga, so a Queen Highway Nordiski lady with interest, Hanagi lady with Exing. Overlapped over Honorable Home Minister, assurance speaking, detail Kangana, General strike by Namata with the Manipur Kaya Mangel. When Manipur say, Kayam Waba Praza, Irigase, Ubina Mani the Mayam so.
Chief Minister Biren encouraged people to be optimistic about the fact that the present generation is fighting against various chronic issues like border issue, Kuki and Naga issues, etc. He urged people to strive to eliminate such issues and bring peace for the upcoming generations.
I amukusu ay apil togzeri Kokomi ki sinawsing lapio wari sasi Manpeg ki su lapio wari sasi leiba ki obe poni koi masen khaidong na ga sakpe yaroi akoi masen inthok na ga nang tau na ka mana tau grei le hoge na haiba yaroi da badu mai su ni akoi punna satminasi punna thengaminasi akoi matamda border issue oigera naga ki issue oigera kuki ki issue oigera or Cape ki oigera loina khoi matam no julai se usa khoi lai phobne nok se silence samani ana sina khoi future se ngasi khoi na tawrang godo riba struggle ngasi khoi na khona ram godo riba tawri ba posina tungi mirol dadi yamna ingle horane tungi mirol dadi shanti le horane akhoi ngasi gi lei riba chaos unrest sitting mirol da khoi piram magum se mon.
Chief Minister Nongthongban Biren announced that the state government has started taking measures to prevent unnecessary calling of ban and strikes in the state. He warned that legal actions will be taken against those who call today's ban. Biren maintained that the state government had already notified government employees to carry out works as usual and to be present in their offices today. He further warned that the government will impose fines and cancel vendor license of those shopkeepers who close their shop in today's total shutdown. Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian, Cabinet Ministers, MLAs, DGP, Additional Chief Secretary and top government officials attended the event. Chief Minister Biren led the attendees in taking a pledge to protect the unity of the state on the occasion. It may be mentioned that Kwame Ekta Week is being observed in reverence to former women Prime Minister of India, late Indira Gandhi, on her birth anniversary.
नोंमगी हिंगनबगी स्ट्रगल द लेरिबा प्रजा मयाम चिकी सकोय खर खनजेबा होइना इखोइना बन्नम कोरमदाय इखोइना जनरल सक अम तोरमदाय दा मसिजु खर खनजेबा खो नराम येउने इंजांग नापी खर योनजब नुपी मदुगी इंजांग नापी दु योलगा मा मसागी चेंग लेना बु उरम बसु याय हेक्ता लागा नुपी खर लागा हेक्ता हई लेगदो कापथेतना कापखाइदना एजिप मोय खर सिदना हेक्ता लाइबाक सि नुसिरबा मोय नत्रगी अतै लाइबाक नुसिबा लेत्रबदो मतो सुकुमजे खोय काउंटर दोबो मतम योले हुइम खरदा बाप फजना तारगा नियम सुमदे फै इनसे इनसे अदुगा मांगसु थासे नत्तबदरी फै पंचत चल्लगुमसे अदुन नैना ऑफिस काबियो दुकान हांबियो हाइदो दुकान हांगदबसिंसु ऑर्डर ठोकरे नोय लाइसेंस ककनेना लाइसेंस व ककपंग अमदोसु लोइन चलगा पेनाल्टी लोइन लोगो पेनाल्टी लोइन पेनाल्टी तो होनगदबने लिसिंग मंगा मंगा थीगेरा पुलिस ऑफिसर डीजी सु ले को हे करिगिनो या अतोंबम ना हाइरेगा का थिंगदरा को चावम ना हाइरेगा का थिंगदरा मरम साब सादगुले
18-hour statewide total shutdown called by Manipur against passing of citizenship amendment bill in the ongoing winter session of the parliament since last midnight has greatly affected normal life in the state. Manipur had announced the total shutdown, extending solidarity to NEFIP against the same. All roads, including inter-district roads, bore deserted looks except for few vehicles plying on emergency. Main business centers of the state like the Quaramban, Pauna and Thangal markets and major markets of every district remain shut down. Most of the government offices and government educational institutions were open, however, attendance of staff and students was low. State police and central paramilitary forces are being deployed at strategic locations to avoid any untoward incidents. Protest demonstrations were carried out in various parts of the state, but there is no report of any untoward incident till now. Manipur called the total shutdown till 6 this evening. Manipur's 18-hour statewide total shutdown against passing of cap in the ongoing parliament has affected normal life at Indo-Myanmar border town Moreh today. International business transactions between Myanmar and Manipur came to a standstill. Shops at Nafalong market of Myanmar remain closed. Passenger vehicles flying from Moreh to Imphal are being halted at Moreh town parking while no passenger vehicles from Imphal reach Moreh. Women, folks and club members of Nongada and Kaming Kunjab protested by sitting on Nongada Makha Laikai Road in support of the statewide 18-hour total shutdown called by Manipur against tabling of CAPE in the ongoing parliament session. Meanwhile, people of Habong Merak Kesham Laikai also blocked Mayai Lambi Road in protest against the same. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Jiribam police seizing opiums worth around 7,75,000 rupees from 3 miscreants. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Afternoon News. Jiribam District Police has seized 8.5 kilograms of opium worth around 7,75,000 rupees from 3 miscreants on Imphal Jiribam Road. Impact News sources said that personnel of Jiribam Police and Anti-Drug Cell jointly arrested the 3 miscreants carrying the contraband drug in a Nissan Micra car near Lengangpopi village yesterday at around 4:30 p.m. The arrested persons are 25-year-old Saitin Kup Khongsai, son of Ngamjapal Khongsai from Gangpikon village, Kangpopi district. 34-year-old Deepak Sivakoti, son of late Ganga Prasad from Kanto Premnagar, Imphal West, and 46-year-old Vagirat Luitel, son of late Chandra Prasad Luitel from Kanglatombi, Hatikua village. On further inquiry, it came to light that the drugs were supposed to be smuggled out from Manipur to Shillong. Jiribam police has registered a case and investigations are underway. Commandant of 69 CRPF Battalion Onkar Nath Singh inaugurated a toilet and a bathroom set at Haingang Awang Lekai under the battalion's civic action program today. The battalion took the initiative in support of Swachh Hi Seva initiated by the Indian government for a sanitized environment and to strengthen ties between CRPF and the locals. 69 battalion officers, pradhan of the locality and women folks attended the event.
पहले ज़माने में हम लोग जब छोटा था तो पुलिस के देख करके हम लोग गांव से भाग जाता था हर जगह, लेकिन इस तरह के प्रोग्राम करने से पब्लिक और पुलिस के बीच में दूरियां कम हो जाती हैं। हम उनकी समस्याओं को सुन करके जहां अप्रोप्रिएट अथॉरिटी होती है उस तक पहुंचाते हैं। अपने आईजी मणिपुर नागालैंड सेक्टर को धन्यवाद देता हूं कि जो हमको वो सिविक एक्शन के अंदर कुछ प्रोग्राम करने के लिए समझा और उसके लिए उपयुक्त धनराशि दिया। ये हमारा चौथा प्रोग्राम है, 3 प्रोग्राम हम ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं।
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee observed the 102th anniversary of India's only woman Prime Minister, late Indira Gandhi, at Congress Bhavan today. MPCC members and Sevadal representatives took part in the event. Attendees paid floral tributes to the portrait of the former Prime Minister. Online nomination process for Sardar Patel National Unity Award 2020 is on and its last date is November 30. The nominations are being received online on the Home Ministry website https://nationalunityawards.mha.gov.in. Union government has instituted the highest civilian award in the field of contribution to the unity and integrity of India in the name of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The award seeks to recognize notable and inspiring contributions to promote the cause of national unity and integrity and to reinforce the value of a strong and united India. All citizens without distinction of religion, race, caste, gender, place of birth, age or occupation and any institution and organization would be eligible for the award. India's polar satellite launch vehicle PSLV-C-47 will launch Cartosat 3 and 13 commercial nano-satellites into Sun synchronous orbit from Satish Dhawan Space Center, SHAR Sriharikota. The launch is tentatively scheduled at 9:28 hours IST on 25th November, subject to weather conditions. PSLV-C-47 is the 21st flight of PSLV in axial configuration, that is with 6 solid strap-on motors. This will be the 74th launch vehicle mission from SDS-CHAR Sriharikota. Cartosat 3 satellite is a third-generation agile advanced satellite having high-resolution imaging capability. The satellite will be placed in an orbit of 509 km at an inclination of 97.5 degrees. PSLV-C-47 will also carry 13 commercial nano-satellites from the United States of America as part of commercial arrangement with New Space India Limited, Department of Space. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren begins National Integration Week observance, call upon Manpack and Kokomi leaders for talk to bridge public-government communication gap. An 18-hour total statewide shutdown by Manpack against Citizenship Amendment Bill cripples normal life in Manipur. That's all we have in this bulletin. Thank you for being with us. For more news, you can also follow Impact TV on Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. Have a great afternoon.